Good morning, Professor Sid. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Emma. Glad to be here.
Can you tell us a little about yourself?
Sure. I'm a professor of education and research, and I've been teaching for over 15 years. My passion is helping students learn and grow.
Why did you choose teaching as a career?
Because I believe education changes lives. I wanted to make a difference in young minds.
What challenges do students face today?
Mostly distraction and pressure. They have too much information, but not always the right guidance.
What advice would you give to students?
Stay curious, work hard, and don't be afraid of failure.
What are your hobbies outside teaching?
I enjoy reading, music, and spending time in nature.
Finally, what is your message for our audience?
Keep learning, keep asking questions, and never stop growing.
Thank you, Professor Sid.
Thank you, Emma.